Hello friends, this is Rakesh from Bodhi Prep, and in this video I'll be taking another logical reasoning caselet. And this case says that there are 6 horses: Badal, Tufan, Pavan, Dhanno, Moti and Chetak, and in a race 4 of these horses have secured first 4 positions. So 3 gamblers, Mogambo, Teja and Sakal, have bet on these horses according to their individual speculations regarding the horses that would finish the race among the first 4 positions. So there are 6 horses and there are 3 gamblers, and they are making speculations about the first 4 positions, right? So these are the table which is given, and it says that the Mogambo has the first 4 speculations as Badal, Tufan, Pavan and Chetak respectively. Similarly for Teja, these are the 4 speculations, and for Sakal it is Chetak, Pavan, Tufan and Dhanno. There are further known conditions, and we have to solve this caselet based on these particular conditions. And the condition says that no horses finish the race in the same position as speculated by Mogambo, but exactly 2 of the horses speculated by him finish the race within the first 4 position. So what this statement means? It simply means that Mogambo has predicted that Badal will come first, Tufan will come second, Pavan will come third and Chetak will come fourth. But what has happened is that none of his prediction regarding the position has come true, but exactly 2 of these horses which he speculated finished the race in the first 4 positions. So we can say that out of these 4 there are 2 horses which have come in the first 4 positions, and none of the speculations related to the position is true for Mogambo. Similarly, second condition says that exactly 2 horses finish the race in the same position as speculated by Teja, while only 1 horse speculated by him failed to finish the horse within the first 4 position. So what it's saying is that for Teja there are 3 out of these 4 horses, they have come in the first 4 position, but exactly 2 of them has finished in their respective position as well. Similarly, third condition says that exactly 2 horses speculated by Sakal finished the race within the first 4 position, while only 1 horse finished the race in the same position. So for Sakal, what has happened is that out of these 4, 2 has come in the first 4 position, and exactly 1 has come in the same position as speculated by Sakal. Right? So depending upon these 3 conditions, what we have to find is that we have to find that which are the 4 horses which come in the first 4 position and what were their position, the actual positions, right? So if we can find that, then we can solve all the questions given based on this particular caselet, right? So let us focus on that. So if I start with the first condition, then what it says that no horses finish the race in the same position. So position wise, Mogambo's speculation is 0, but 2 of the horses speculated by him finish the race within the first 4 position. So if I want to write this particular condition, then what we can say that exactly 2 out of these 4 speculated by Mogambo actually came in the first 4 position, and 0 number of horses occupied the position as speculated by Mogambo, right? So it may happen that 2 obviously have come in the first 4, but the position is not correct for any of those 2 horses. Similarly, Teja, he speculated, or his speculation about 3 horses coming in the first position is correct, but the number of position being correct as speculated by him is 2. And similarly for third condition, as you can see that exactly 2 horses speculated by Sakal finished the race. So the speculation goes true for 2 horses, and as far as position is concerned, then the position is only for 1, right? So these numbers will give me the entire idea about these 3 conditions, right? So let's start with the concept. So overall we have 6 horses, right? So these are the name of the horses: Badal, Tufan, Pavan, Dhanno, Moti and Chetak. So these are the 6 horses. Now about Mogambo, exactly 2 finished in the first 4 position. So we can say that out of these 6, the 4 names are written here. So whatever the names he left, they must have come in the first 4 position, because his speculation is only correct for 2 horses. So 2 horses definitely came in the first 4 position, so and the rest of the 2 horses must not have come in the first 4 position. So obviously the horses which he left to speculate must have come in the first 4 position. So I can say that apart from Badal, Tufan, Pavan and Chetak, then if I compare, then we have Dhanno and Moti. So Dhanno and Moti must be in the first 4 position, that's for sure, right? Similarly, if I look at Sakal, again the same thing is happening. Only 2 horses as speculated by him are within the first 4 places. So if I compare, then Chetak, Pawan, Tufan and Dhanno, so excluding Chetak, Pawan, Tufan and Dhanno, rest of the two, that is Moti and Badal, they must be in the first 4 position, right? So if I just take these 2 cases, then we can say that definitely Badal, Moti and Dhanno, these 3 must be in the first 4 position for sure, right? So we have to find the 4th one, which horse came in the 4th position. Now this is very clear from the second gambler. Teja has speculated, and his speculation about the number of horses coming in the first 4 position is 3. And if I compare, then Badal, Dhanno and Moti, his speculation is true, right? That means his speculation that Tufan has come in the first 4 position is wrong, right? So we can say that Tufan didn't come in the first 4 position. So we have to eliminate Tufan from every places where it has been written, right? So it is so that Tufan must not be is not the horse which has come in the first 4 position. So we can say that the fourth horse will be between, or anyone between, Pawan and Chetak, right? These are the anyone between these 2 must be the 4th horses. Now how to find the correct position as well? So definitely, since Mogambo's position, all position is wrong, so there is no point taking the data from Mogambo. But what we can do is that we can start with Teja, since his speculation about 2 horses as far as position is concerned is correct, right? So let us try to find out which 2 horses have come in the right position. So out of these 3 horses, Moti, Badal and Dhanno, they must have come in the first 4 position, but only 2 of them have grabbed the actual position as speculated by Teja. So we can start with the cases. Suppose we can say that suppose Moti and Badal, they have come in the position as speculated by Teja. So definitely Dhanno must not have come in the position 4. But Dhanno is a horse which has come in the first 4. So definitely the Dhanno must have acquired the first position, right? So let me just change the color here. So if I say that Dhanno has acquired first position and Moti would be acquiring second and Badal will be acquiring third, right? Because these 2 speculation as far as position is correct, and this horse the position for Dhanno is wrong. So obviously if Dhanno cannot come at 4, so definitely the only option left is 1. Now let's see that if I write them, then the Dhanno would be at first position, second will be Moti and third will be Badal, and fourth will be obviously anyone from Pawan and Chetak. Now let's see that all other conditions are going as per these particular ranking or position or not. So if I look at Mogambo, then we can say that none of these positions are correct, right? Because if we can say that no horses comes in the position as we have derived here, right? So this particular condition is correct. But if I look at Sakal, then we can say that Chetak is not coming in the first position, Pawan is not coming in the second position, Tufan obviously Tufan is not in the third position, and Dhanno is not in the fourth position. But for conditions for Sakal, it says that exactly 1 position is correct. So we can say that this particular situation or this particular assumptions of ours of horses coming in the right position is wrong. That means Dhanno is not in the first position. So obviously Dhanno must have come in the fourth position, because only one among these 3 can go wrong, right? So we can say that Dhanno has to come at fourth position. So let us take another horse and let us assume that Moti or Badal, suppose Badal has acquired first position, right? That's why his position has speculated by Teja will be wrong, but as speculation by for Moti and Dhanno will be right. So now in this case what will happen is that the first position will be acquired by Badal, the second position will be for Moti, and third position will be anyone from PNC, and fourth position will be for Dhanno, right? And obviously the fourth position is correct. So now we can say that if Badal comes in the first position, then Mogambo's speculation about Badal coming in first position will go right? But no speculation as far as position is concerned for Mogambo is correct. Here we can say that his speculation regarding the position is wrong. So obviously we can say that Badal also didn't come in the first position. So obviously his position will be the actual position will be as speculated by Teja. So Teja speculated that Badal appear or Badal come in the third position. So obviously we can say that by default Moti has to come in the first position because there are no other option left. So we can say that Moti will come in the first position. Second position will be acquired by either Pawan or Chetak, and third and fourth will be respectively Badal and Dhanno. So let me make another list wherein we can write the position, and again we'll check whether it satisfies all other conditions or not. So the first, second, third, fourth position. So first position is for Moti, second position will be any one of Pawan and Chetak, and third position will be for Badal, and fourth position will be for Dhanno, right? Now we have to only identify that which between Pawan and Chetak has acquired the second position. Now this can be very well be identified by taking the third row. So Sakal's prediction was that 2 are within the first 4 and one horse has come in the right position. So here if I compare it, so obviously it was clear that Dhanno must acquire the fourth position. So Dhanno, this position is correct and all other positions would be wrong, right? That means Chetak didn't come in the first position and Pawan didn't come in the second position, as you can see, right? So which means that the second position must not be acquired by Pawan. Otherwise Sakal's position for Pawan will also be correct and he will be getting 2 positions correct, right? Which it can't happen because only one position is correct. So we can say that with this logic I can say that since Pawan didn't come in the second position, so obviously by default Chetak has acquired the second position. So with this we can say that we have identified the right combination or right horses and their order in which they have acquired their position. And now we are ready to go for the questions. So the first condition would be which horse finished the race in the first position. So obviously first position is achieved by Moti, and second question says that which horse finished the race in the fourth position. So fourth position is acquired by Dhanno. Now next it says that which is the position number of the horse which finished the race in the same position as speculated by Sakal. So Sakal's prediction was correct for Dhanno and that position was position number 4. So 4 is the answer for question number 3. And the last question is that which 2 horses didn't finish the race in the first 4 positions. So obviously we can say that excluding these 4, Pawan and Tufan, these are the 2 horses which didn't finish in the first 4 positions. So obviously option A is the right answer.